Okay, so here we are in code play number 8, and what we are looking at is actually going into this command up here where we basically told the pin to output to the LED, which we had set to equal 13. So this is where we're telling it to output power to the pin number 13, and you'll notice that we have pin mode with a capital M here, and we're going to take that capital M, turn it into a lowercase m. We're going to try to into a lowercase m. And again, my suspicion is that when we try to compile this, this is not going to work out very well, because pin mode is like a functional call of some kind, and those are usually very specific in how they must be coded, and so it's probably not going to recognize this this pin mode with a lowercase m, and lo and behold, that's what it tells us. Pin mode was not declared in this scope. So pin mode, instead of being recognized as this this function that actually switches the power output to that particular pin that's in there, has now become some sort of variable that it thinks we need to declare. So by simply not properly coding the name of this function here, or yeah, I'm old school, so I say function. It's probably some sort of a subroutine call or something like that. I'm pretty sure that was pretty old school too. But anyway, nomenclature may escape me, but I think I've got this right. And if I put the M back, we should be able to compile it. And there it compiles, there it uploads, and we are back to our system running as it was all before. Of course, it never really stopped because we never really uploaded anything to it. Still running on the previous program. Okay, so that was very instructive, I think, all the way around, trying all of those different things. It's not nearly as satisfying to read through all of the instructions and figure out what works and what doesn't work, as much as it is to just kind of fool around with it. That's basically why people who are trained in engineering like myself, we don't read the instructions. Well, sometimes we do. We do, especially if someone's paying us to read the instructions. But it's much more interesting to see what's going on with the system, and whether you can make it work or make it not work. So that was pretty instructive. I think we covered a lot of ground in terms of both the circuit and the code play of what in this simple little circuit design and program works and does not work.